Question 8. In March 2003, Welshman Tony Evans dropped a ball from an aircraft a mile above the Moab Desert to see if it would bounce. The ball was made from 6 million rubber bands, had a circumference of 14 foot 8 inches, weighed 2,600 pounds, and took Mr. Evans 5 years to build. On average, roughly how many rubber bands did he add each day while building the ball? Now, there's actually some information here. This circumference and this weight that are complete red herrings. Interesting information, but are not needed for this question. So the 2 bits of information we do want is that there are 6,000 bands and it took 5 years. We need to find an answer. You can see that the possible answers here have got are then multiples of 10 apart. 3 multiplied by 10 is about 30, multiplied by 10, 33 multiplied by 10 is here, and then multiplied by 10 and multiplied by 10. So what we need to find is an estimate of a number that's around one of these. 6 million bands, 5 years, and we want to know how many days, because we want to know how many rubber bands he added each day. So we need to know how many. So 5 years is approximately 400 days. A year is approximately 400. It's an overestimate. It's quite a big overestimate, but let's use that because I would prefer to multiply it like this. It divides out much better. So let's use some big numbers. So this is 2,000 days. So 5 years is about 2,000 days. 6,000 bands, 2,000 days. Divide one by the other. Divide both by 1,000. These go to 1. And therefore we've got 6,000 divided by 2, which gives us 3,000. And 3,000 is roughly the same as 3,300. So the answer is D. Mr. Evans every day put an average of 3,300 bands on his rubber ball. Wow, a massive achievement, even just to put the elastic bands on. I don't know how long that would, there's a long time every day spent just putting elastic bands on. I'm sure his hands and his fingers hurt by the end of it.